those of you who think it's all puppy dogs and kitty cats at all times, the roads can look like this, and when it rains, this can be pretty crazy and it can be pretty slow. So definitely not for the faint of heart. Very different when it's sunny. I wouldn't say we'd be whizzing along here, but you almost wonder at times if you're not going to have to get out and push or something at some point. Still some pretty stuff here with all the mountains all over. It's pretty ugly road conditions, especially when they're doing construction.